Our skin becomes black for many reasons. For example, liver problems, hormonal changes, genetic factors, harmful sunlight, hyperpigmentation, vitamin deficiencies, etc. Today we will see how to whiten your black skin in a natural way. Fast. Take 4 tablespoons wheat flour in a bowl. Wheat flour, which people use on the face like a pack, autant, too, can be used to fight off oily skin problems, toxins, tan, acne problems, and dark spots. It is known to improve the texture of the skin and make it tighter. You must definitely consider it for your skincare routine. Add 2 tablespoons rose water. The anti-inflammatory properties of rose water can help reduce skin redness, prevent additional swelling, and soothe the discomfort of acne. The research also concluded that the antiseptic and antibacterial properties of rose water can help heal cuts, burns, and scars more rapidly. Add 3 tablespoons raw milk. You can use it as a cleanser. The lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E, and K, and protein present in milk makes it a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent. It's a good toner for dry skin. Milk masks help clear dark spots, heal tanning, and acne over time. Add 2 tablespoons honey. Raw honey is packed with components beneficial for your skin, especially if you have acne or autoimmune skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. Honey speeds up your skin cells' healing processes. If you have blemishes or an eczema outbreak, honey that's unpasteurized could speed healing and reduce inflammation. Mix well. Now your Fairness face pack is ready to apply. Apply this face pack on your face and neck for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes wash with normal waters. Apply this face pack every 7 days, then uses it 3 to 4 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.